Hello, welcome back to Business Consultant. Today we have brought you another financial model. This one is General Freight Trucking Local Excel Financial Model. Coming towards its financial model, as you can see, this includes the input sheet, revenue analysis, working sheet, startup summary, financial statements, financial analysis, and dashboard. This model it goes up to 60 months of forecasting. It highlights on the financial statements that are income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. As you can see over here, this tells you about the how to use this model. The peach cell indicates the input cells. Gray cells tells about the formula cells, whereas the light gray font are the helping cells. Coming towards the input sheet, as you can see, gives you all the assumptions about funding, revenue and cost, capex and opex, as well as the working capital. Then comes the revenue analysis. As you can see over here, the revenue analysis sheet calculates all the number of orders as well as all the revenue generated from each type of revenue stream of the company. It also calculates the cost of service or cost of goods sold. Then comes the startup summary. The startup summary basically gives you a brief summary on the first year of the company. It tells you about the expenses, the company's expenses, and its as fundings. It also tells about the company's assets and liabilities and capitals for the first year. Then comes the financial statements. As you can see over here, the financial statements goes up to 5 years, or in months it goes up to 60 months. It shows the profit earned by the company, the net profit or the net income generated by the company. Then comes the cash flow statement, which tells you about the cash inflows and outflows of the company from its operating, investing, and financing activities, as you can see over here. And then calculates the net cash flow, cash balance of the company for 5 years, and in months it goes up to 60 months. Then comes the balance sheet. The balance sheet basically gives you the company's financial position in terms of its total assets and liabilities and equities, comparing the liabilities and equities with its total assets. Then comes the revenue analysis. The revenue analysis sheet basically gives you the break-even analysis of the business. Then it gives you the company valuation, which gives you the WACC, weighted average cost of capital of the business. It also gives the expected equity percentage that can be offered to the investors. Then comes the KPIs and ratios. The KPIs and ratios gives you the profitability ratio, liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, and efficiency ratios. Then it also gives a brief on the sensitivity analysis. Over here, as you can see, the sensitivity analysis basically gives you the a format of scenario-based analysis on three different scenarios that are actual, optimistic, and pessimistic. Then comes the working sheet. Basically, the working sheet includes all the relevant information that the business includes. These are all the workings that are being used in the financial statements of the business. As you can see over here, it includes operating expenses, payrolls, depreciation, and loan schedule, and working capital assumptions or calculations. Then comes the dashboard. The dashboard basically gives you all the information in graphical context. As you can see over here, it is basically being used by the financial analysts to give a proper um, or quick decisions to their higher management on basis of these graphs. That's it. Thank you.